down below. So unfortunately for the girl, she had no indication that she was using low, other than it had been a year and a half since she had an oil change with regular old-fashioned crushed dinosaur bones.
And basically what happens is there's no more oil in the car.
Yeah.
So right now, if your engine's not running right, go put oil in your car.
Check your oil level first.
Yeah, make sure. Yeah, I mean, of course, always check it with the dipstick. Of course, you're right, Jeff. Thanks for adding that.
Yeah.
You're right. Always check with the dipstick. But even if you have to put the cheapest oil in the car, I mean,
Better than nothing.
Even in a Ferrari, if you put the cheapest Wama oil, you're better off having something
Than nothing. Absolutely.
And a lot of people ask me that on the channel. They go, even do what happens if I add something to my AMSOIL, whatever? You're not going to hurt anything. Obviously, don't go the extended drain interval if you start putting mineral oil in your AMSOIL.
And here's the thing.
Yeah.
If you're consuming oil, let's get that addressed.
Exactly.
So the patch is what Eben's saying. The patch is to put oil in the car so you don't explode the motor.
Yep.
After that, let's figure out why it could just be as simple as an oil flush.
Yep.
I mean, it could just be that easy. So.
All right, so we're pretty much going to wrap her up.
I'd say so.
Anything else, Jeff?
Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, season's appropriate greeting to everybody.
Hey, thanks for doing that, Jeff, and thanks so much for being a part of the channel.
Absolutely.
Jeff's totally amazing. I don't even know what to say right now. It's just crazy how good he is. And it means so much for every one of my preferred customers that have used my link. I wanted to personally thank you for doing that. That means a lot to me, and it's really helped me out quite a bit. And to me, it's all about giving back, and we're going to continue to do that. So right here in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and stick a little video. It's my latest video right here. That is the best motor oil of 2020.
Yes.
So that's a trending video right now.
Ooh.
It's got over 2,000 views.
Nice.
We're going to see if we can keep that thing running.
Let's keep it moving.
And also leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions on the tune-up for your vehicle. We'll go ahead and answer that, and reach out to us if you have any other questions.
Give us a call.
All right.
Perfect.
Give them a cheers, Jeff.
Absolutely. Grab your favorite bottle.
Here we go. Let's do it. On the count of 3. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.
See y'all next week.
See ya.
Cool.